Frantisek Strouhal and Chantal M. Everywhere they traveled, they shared longing for peace, meaning, and a return to the wisdom inside each of us. Before anything begins outside, it begins within, in stillness, in listening, in the quiet turning of the heart. It is from this inner stillness that their journey began. Through writings, programs, gatherings, and global initiatives, GSUW has emerged, an organization whose goal is to create spaces where people can slow down, reflect, heal, and rediscover what truly unites us. And so GSUW was born as a living space for transformation, reflection, a place where inner stillness becomes not just a personal refuge, but a bridge, connecting us to each other and to the larger symphony of life. Welcome to the Global Symphony for a United World. Visit us at gsuw.org.